I don't know I don't know. I don't know who invented Casamigos. I don't know who fuck invented Casamigos. Lord, it happens to me every time.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on scene. Think you know your girl so funny to me. And girl, you think I left by one just time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play this game. Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I know.
Hey, Starlights, welcome back to another vlog. This is a weekend vlog. Last vlog was a weekly vlog, which was terrible. This one, so it's gonna be a weekend vlog. It's gonna be weekend, cause baby, them weekly vlogs ain't for me, cause bad shit be happening. But anyway, welcome back to another vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Period. I'm on my way. It is Friday, 11:23 a.m. and I am on my way to pick up my bestie, and we are going to lunch. So we're going to have a girls' day out. Not even a day out, but just lunch. The girls going out for lunch or whatever. Want to get something to eat. The restaurant she said is she wanted to go to was, I have to sneeze, but I don't want to come out. Anyway, the restaurant she want to go to is, I don't even know. I'm pick up. She texted to me all about you, or about you, about somebody. But anyway, I'm on my way to her. I think her oldest daughter going, so I think she riding with us too. But anyway, y'all check out my outfit. It's just a little white, little giving vacation vibes or whatever. Well, you got the day off, or you gotta go to lunch or brunch or whatever. Something real loose, something cute. I insert some pictures or whatever, but I like it. I wore a black one like 2 years ago. Was it like 2 years ago? Yeah, probably like 2 years ago I wore a black one, and I had lunch, and now I'm finally wearing a white one. I be having clothes, and it's from Amazon. I be having clothes just, oh my God, I thought he was gonna hit me, just all over the place. But guys, I will catch up with you guys when we get to the restaurant later. So we made it to the restaurant. It is called Crazy About You. Very, very beautiful and elegant. We love it here.
I'm turning on and trying to live it up. Get it right.
Hey Starlights, I am back from my restaurant, which is called Crazy About You. Crazy About You. When I say the food was amazing, 10 out of 10. Delicious, 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 delicious. I would definitely go again. The drinks, I had something mule. It was good. It was good. It was sweet. I think it's like a mule lemonade. It was some, no, it wasn't a mule lemonade. It was something else with lemonade, but it was good. It was really good, and I really enjoyed it. The shrimp was good. They fries, they had like shoestring fries. I guess that's what they called it. But it was delicious. Everything was freaking good. I will definitely go again. I definitely want to take my husband now. But the food was amazing. Everything was good. Even the Caesar salad, like I told that Caesar salad up, it was actually good. So I don't know what else on the agenda for today. I know I have tonight off at work, so I don't know exactly what I'm doing. Good morning. It is another day. I'm on my way to the gym, and I'm starting off late. It is, my clock never worked. 2:02, and I'm just starting. No eyelashes on, no nothing. So I'm gonna go to the gym, touch bases with you guys. Once I leave, I'll probably throw a couple of clips inside as we're working out at the gym. And I will see you guys at the gym, and I will let you know what today's agenda is going to do later.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by what?
Hey guys, welcome back. So our workout is completed. This is my smoothie that I'm gonna do, my protein shake. I was gonna make a peanut butter smoothie, but I have no almond milk. I have no yogurt. Come on, Kai. No almond milk, no yogurt. I have fruits. I have everything that I need other than the liquid part. So I had one of these left, so I decided to bring this along with me. I'm gonna go and get my eyelashes and my eyebrows done, and that's so far. I won't even say this morning because it's almost in the evening, and I'm going out tonight. So me and Bae is going out tonight. Don't hate. And whatever. That's my son. But we're going out. I'm thinking to his Jamaican place. Oh, I gotta text Alina and let her know that we coming tonight, so she can have us situated. Cause baby, she be having us tables, drinks. She be having us. He got it made. So anyway, so we're going out tonight. And that should be it for today. Before I woke up, well, last night I'm like I had my day set. I was gonna go finally make it to Aventura Mall and go to Zara. I was gonna finally make it to the Ulta store that I never made it to in my last vlog, but it's late. So I'm just gonna do my face necessities, eyebrows and eyelashes and stuff, because I look like a bald head ass chicken. And it's so funny that my phone don't even recognize, face recognition don't even recognize me with no lashes on. Like, I think that's racist or something. But anyway, I will touch up with you guys once I leave the eyelash shop, or once I start getting ready for my date night. Later. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so it's later on in the evening. It is about 9 something. I am currently waiting for my husband to get home from work. We're going out. I'm gonna start getting dressed so I can be already ready. And just waking up. from a needed nap. Oh my God, I slept so motherfucking good. But I slept sideways across the bed. But yeah, so I'm gonna get ready now so I can already be ready. So I ain't gotta get ready when you get here. Because it is what it is. But yeah, so we're going to the Jamaican club that we love to go to. And that's one of the regular clubs that we always go to. So I'm not really gonna do too much vlogging there because I'm gonna have some intimate time with my baby or whatever. But I will probably do a couple of videos in the car and stuff like that. Yeah, so just touching bases with y'all because I know I've been doing little snips here. My last video was long, almost an hour, so I don't want this video to be that long. So I'm going to catch up with you guys once I get in the car. Once I finish getting dressed, so you guys check out my makeup because my makeup game is getting better.
I know what time it is. We arguing, make up. Okay, everything will go away once you get some.
Ladies, come give me that. Ladies. Easy money. Because you know what? I saw me. I will miss it. Where were they?
I don't know who invented Casamigos. I don't know who fuck invented Casamigos. Lord, it happens to me every time. Casamigos take me out every time. Hey y'all, it's the next day. I'm gonna go look at Jesus. Anyway, I'm going to TJ Maxx to see if I can find my godson. Just turned 2 years old yesterday, and his birthday party is next weekend. So I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx to see if I can find him a couple of things while I'm up and about. And I ain't gonna wrap my hair. If you would have seen how my hair was when I woke up, I ain't wrapping my hair. I ain't doing it. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys either in TJ Maxx after I get out, because bitch, I'm tired. It is almost freaking 1 o'clock, and I'm just getting up, getting out the door. Bye, y'all. Well, didn't see nothing in there. So now, try another store. Damn kids, but I love them though. So they say consistency is the key. So this morning I went to go, when I woke up, I went to Dunkin' Donuts, got me a light coffee. Went to go get my godbaby stuff. And now, I'm going to the gym. So, let's see. I think I'm going to do, probably just, what I said I was going to do today. Probably just get on the Stairmaster for a couple of minutes. And then I'm not trying to do too much. I just wanted to not miss a day. So, I'll see you guys in the gym.
Long as you got your eyes, got you trippy on them private jets, taking trips. come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay.
It's motherfucking 6 o'clock in the morning. And I'm on my way to Starbucks. I can't sleep. Well, I'm not gonna say I can't sleep, but I work at night. So my body's used to being up. Now I'm getting sleepy. So anyway, I came to Starbucks while he's getting ready, preparing his rods and shit for fishing. I came to Starbucks to give me a coffee or something. Something that gonna help me stay up, because now my body's starting to wind down. Like I get off at 7 o'clock in the morning. So now my body is starting to wind down because I'm used to get ready. Get on off at 7 and get ready to go.
Good morning,
sleep.
I'll be right with you.
Thank you, because I don't know what the fuck I want to I got my little thing going, my little light thing. I don't want to be in the dark. So that's why I cut my little light thing on, but yeah. Can I have the brown sugar oat shaken espresso, please?
What size?
A tall.
Anything else?
Can I have it with almond milk instead of oat milk?
Yeah, no problem. Anything else?
And 2 packs of Splendors on the side.
And you said you wanted 2 packs of what on the side?
Splendor on the
Oh,
side?
Splenda? Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, that's
Will that
it.
be it?
Yeah.
You're all set.
Okay. So I'm getting that one because that's only 100 calories. My goal is to, while he's fishing, I'm like walking on the beach or whatever. So that's my goal, to be walking on the beach. I am exhausted. Thank you.
Here's the Splenda.
Thank you.
And I'm just waiting on the drink, okay?
Okay. I'm so fucking exhausted, y'all. I'm tired. I just need like a vacation. Thank you so much. Okay.
Have a good one.
You too. I just need like a whole motherfucking vacation at this point, because I'm just tired. Like, I'm just tired. Like, I feel like I be doing so much. Like, I'm just ready to retire. I'm ready to just pursue my traveling career and just travel. Just travel the world. Like, go somewhere for a week, come back for 3 days, go again for 4 days, then come back for 2 days, then go again for 3 days, and come back for 1 day. And then start all over again. Like, I want to go like take 3 different vacations a month. That's just how I feel, but it is what it is. Maybe I'm just in a certain type of way because I'm tired. That's what it is. I'll probably be all right later. I don't know why the hell my mood is off, but I have to catch up with you guys. I catch up with you guys when I get to the pier. Later.
Do all this shit. Don't video nothing.
So we made it to the pier, as you can see. But I got dizzy just now. I'm trying to turn around. Still sitting on the Starbucks or whatever. So, guys,
Start checking stuff like this.
what happened?
What's that? I'm sorry.
Start.
Fishermen, we're going to begin pressure washing down the come over here. Yes. Somebody owe me a motherfucking hairdo. You gotta throw it out.
Too small.
It's just, I thought it was good. Bro, like, look at my ankle. I am big.
12 o'clock now. 12 o'clock.
Look, he's looking at me.
That's somebody. The midget first.